If you want to learn how to bake a cake, then you've come to the right place. Baking a cake is a simple and enjoyable process that anyone can do. Follow these step-by-step instructions, and you'll be on your way to creating a delicious homemade cake in no time. First, gather all the necessary ingredients. You'll need flour, sugar, eggs, butter, milk, baking powder, and vanilla extract. Make sure you have the correct measurements for each ingredient as listed in the recipe. Next, preheat your oven to the temperature specified in the recipe. This will ensure that your cake bakes evenly and thoroughly. Then grease and flour your cake pan to prevent the cake from sticking. This step is crucial in ensuring that your cake comes out of the pan easily once it's done baking. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the butter and sugar until smooth. Then beat in the eggs one at a time, followed by the vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, combine the flour and baking powder. Gradually add this mixture to the wet ingredients, alternating with the milk until everything is well combined. Pour the batter into the prepared cake pan and smooth the top with a spatula. Place the pan in the high preheated oven and bake for the specified amount of time. Once the cake is done, remove it from the oven and let it cool in the pan for a few minutes. Then, transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. Finally, once the cake has cooled, you can frost it with your favorite icing and decorate it as desired. And there you have it, a delicious homemade cake that you baked all by yourself. Enjoy your creation and share it with family and friends. Happy baking!